Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. So this is the new notification from National Testing Agency NTA that today only it is released 5/10/2020. So subject is that National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test 2020 verification scanned images of OMR answer sheets and record responses. So according to this notification, remember the National Testing Agency has uploaded the scanned images of OMR answer sheets and record responses for the candidates. The candidates, if they wish, so can challenge the same. So the challenges can be recorded on the website ntaneet.nic.in. When you go to this particular website, there will be one small window challenge the answer key like that. So by using that candidate login, you can log in, and this facility is available from 5/10/2009, right? So to 7/10/2009. So in this particular case, you can see, so last years they have maybe, because here there is a 2020 date is there, and here you can see there is a 2019 date. But it is not a fake notification, it is the exact notification which is available in the NTA this website. So maybe they will not do such mistakes, but it happened, fine. So 2019 only it is there. The candidates are required to pay online sum of ₹1,000 per question if you want to challenge, right? So for that, what you have to do is, if you want to challenge, so here please go to the website https://ntaneet.nic.in/ntaneet/welcome.aspx. log in with your application number and password. OMR challenge it is there, select the OMR challenge, then click on the OMR challenge link. You will see 180 questions for physics, chemistry, biology, that botany and geology. Select the question for which you wish to challenge the record responses. And remember, here you are going to get your OMR sheet, whatever you have marked and given to the evaluator on that day, examiner on that day. So the same OMR sheet, the scanned copy, you can see and you can download that. So the number next to the question under the column capture a response as per OMR sheet, it will be there. So you have to select that. Then candidate claim you have to select. Then remember, if you want to challenge, you may choose to option given the candidate claim. So after selecting your desired option for all questions you want to challenge, that submit button you have to do, and final submit. Final, you have to go for the payment, ₹1,000 for each question you can challenge. So there is not necessary to challenge this, because as such in chemistry especially, I know that no question is wrong, everything is correct. So only you have to cross check with your question paper which we have marked and the OMR sheet what they have uploaded, whether it is correct or not. That you have to see. If something is changed, then you can appeal to the NTA. There is no problem in it. So this was the notification, new notification. So your OMR response sheets you can download and you can cross check whether it is correct or not, which means your result will be on 12th of October maybe. So before that it will get completed. So remember, all the best for your results. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.